Hi all, welcome to the demo for the particle sizing, color and moisture analysis tool, which is part of Ripik Vision. So here we are on the landing page and we can see that we can set a time for how often do we want the analysis to happen. So let's say we want it to happen every 15 seconds. So we can set it to that. Over here we are just setting the various thresholds for when the alert should be sent. So here we can say that we want the moisture alert to be sent when the moisture level hits higher than 14%, let's say. And similarly for color levels, we have gray and black color levels. So let's say we don't want the gray level to be higher than 50%, so we can set it to be 50. And the same goes for size, so we have different size bins. And let's say we don't want the number of 8 particles going by to be greater than 1%, so we can just set it to be 1% here. And now we just need to add the video for which we want to do the analysis. We can also use the camera feed if required. And now if we click on submit, the analysis will start. So the analysis will happen every 15 seconds as we mentioned in the landing page, and we will be provided a detailed analysis of the size, moisture and color distribution of the particles moving by. So let's see. So yeah, right here, so we had a moisture level of 14.39%, which is greater than 14%, and a gray level of 55%, which is greater than 50%. So that's why we received an alert over here. And if we see the results, here we have a moisture graph. So let's say if we click on any of the points, we will get a detailed analysis of the results that we received for that particular timestamp. So here's the frame for which we had received the results, and a bit of particle analysis and contour analysis images, just so we can get some additional context as to what's happening over here. Here we can see that the moisture analysis gave us a result of 14.54%, and if we click over here, it will just give us a distribution of what exactly the percentage distribution of moisture level was. And the same goes for the color analysis. It will give us a bar graph if we click over here. As for the size bins, we have received the exact percentage of the number of particles moving by that were part of both of these size bins. So let's say 0 to 6 mm we had 54.5% particles, and 6 to 8 mm we had 45.45% particles, and we had 0% particles belonging to the 8 plus mm size bin. So moving on to the alert section, if we click on any of these alerts, or similarly if we just click on alerts over here, so here if we click on any of these alerts, we can see that we have received the exact analysis that happened at that particular timestamp, and it's the same as I showed you on the page earlier. So if I click here, we'll get the exact moisture distribution, and this will give us the bar graphs for the exact color distribution, and over here we have the size bins. Moving on to the history section, so we store all of the analysis that's being done on our database. So here we can access let's say the history from 12 p.m. on the 20th of February to 1 p.m. and over here we can see that we will get the exact analysis data between that particular timestamp. So let's say we want to know more about what happened at this particular timestamp, so we can just click there and we will get an exact analysis, and this is the same as I showed you on the earlier pages. Over here we can see the moisture distribution, and over here we can see the color distribution. These are our size bins. We can maximize or minimize a particular size bin if you only want to view that. And this is the original image on which the analysis had happened. So this feed will continue being analyzed for every 15 seconds until the end of the video, or for a live feed it will continue happening as long as the live feed is available. So this was the demo for our tool. Thank you for watching.